What's going on, guys? Tom at Renegade Racing and Performance. We're here at the Renegade Racing shop, and man, let me tell you what, we just finished our street car, man. So we built this car for Street Car Takeover, and absolutely nuts. We had Charles over at C-Wraps wrap this thing. Check this job out. Absolutely incredible, man. I mean, he literally laid out our logo, phone numbers, everything we do, all of our stuff on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everything. Absolutely love it. This thing's mostly stock, other than right here. So from the transmission back, we're still working on stock parts. But as you see up here, nothing about this is stock. 408, completely built, stock-ish. Holley high ram, still running on stock computer, twin 7678s. Turbos were built by Jose over at Forced Induction. These things are nuts. They really kick out the power. We dynoed this thing right at 1,036 to the tires. It really gets down, especially as a street car, this thing will roll out. Got a Lingenfelter box on this. We do have two-step on it. This is a 6-speed car. As you know, we're into stick shift racing, so we get down with this thing. Didn't do too bad at Street Car Takeover with it. Made a whole bunch of good passes, and we actually kind of reeled in 3rd place, so pretty good, especially for being pretty much all stock car. Still kind of hard to do a burnout in this thing. It's still running on stock computer, and we're running into some traction control issues and stuff of that nature, but we're working on that. Working on getting this thing on Holley and doing a couple other things with it so we can really light this thing up, possibly swapping the rear end, axles, couple other things, doing a 15-inch conversion on it. We started a cage in this thing. It's not all done yet. There's still a whole bunch that needs to be done to it. Get the cage in there so we'll be safe. But as of right now, this is a good 9-second street car. It'll tear the pavement off the ground. I mean, it is absolutely insane, especially going down the road in this thing. Nothing any better. Looking inside, still retaining all the stock interior except door panels. As for the door panels, we got carbon inserts. These things are really nuts and look really good. A couple other things, we got a wide band and some other things in here, just to kind of spruce it up so we can see what's really going on with the car since we're running on stock computer. We're gonna keep on building with this thing and keep going with it. Really wanna try and get into the 8s or something with this thing and really compete in some competitions and see what it can do. As I said, this is our street car, so we don't wanna go too wild, but you know how we go over here. We just go insane with everything, unfortunately. But still wanna keep this a street car, so we're gonna tame that insaneness down and keep going with what we got and kind of improve on it and move to the direction of 8s. Once we get there, who knows? So if you ain't checked out our channel yet, make sure you do. We're gonna be shooting a full video of the inside of the shop here soon. All-wheel drive dyno, everything that you can think of. And look, this is my backyard. She's not much. She gets the job done. If you look on the dash, every light on the dash is on. That's a good thing and a bad thing. So the good thing is all of traction control is completely deleted on this thing, all because we pulled a fuse. All right, so this is our street car, Camaro. We're driving this thing. Just got the wrap done, and she's got this thing on the road, man. She makes 1,036 to the tire, mostly all stock, but got something good under the hood. Stock computer with this thing, and we hit the rev limiter a little bit too hard and then went into reduced power mode. ahead and hook our little doodah scanner up. Go ahead and clear this check engine light real quick. She'll fire up and get running really good. Just like that, baby. Next to somebody that's fast, I will launch this bitch. If I'm about to win this motherfucker, I'm gonna send this. Dude, I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. I'm sending it. Hey, I'll send it over the wall.
That's a shirt.
Hey, risk it for the biscuit. Yeah. I will send it. So if I'm winning if I'm winning my round and I can win this thing, I will launch it and break it if it has to be broke.
So
I'll give it.
I like even launch it, motherfucker.
Willie's.
From 11 to fucking 8.99. People are like, what the fuck?
What just happened?
Yeah, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Somebody did something.
Who's been sandbagging over there?
boys.